In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in QuickBooks. We'll walk through a clear, guided workflow that starts from the Create menu and uses the Estimate form to capture all the details you need. Follow along on your QuickBooks dashboard so you can mirror each action in real time. Begin by hovering over the Create button at the top of your QuickBooks screen. This opens a menu of common transactions. From here, click on Estimate. This brings up a clean form that lets you outline what's being provided and at what cost, which is especially helpful when you want a documented record of amounts before anything is finalized. First, add your customer. Click into the customer field and select the correct customer from your list. If you have multiple with similar names, take a second to confirm you've chosen the right profile so your records stay accurate and searchable later. Next, set the estimate date. This is the date the estimate is prepared and becomes your primary reference point for reporting and timelines. Right beside it, adjust the expiration date. The expiration helps set expectations by defining how long the pricing and terms are valid. Pick a date that gives your customer a reasonable window without leaving pricing open-ended. Now, add accepted by and accepted date. These fields are great for tracking internal approvals or customer sign-off. Type the name of the person who approved the estimate and capture the date they agreed. This small bit of detail can save you time later by making your audit trail crystal clear. Move down to the product or service section. Click to choose the exact item from your products and services list. Selecting the right item keeps your reporting tidy and ensures costs or income are categorized correctly. If the item has a default description or rate, QuickBooks may fill that in automatically, but you can still fine-tune it for this estimate. Enter the quantity next. Make sure it reflects the units you actually provide, hours, items, or another unit of measure your team recognizes. Then add the rate. As soon as you do, QuickBooks calculates the line total for you. Review the numbers to make sure they match your agreement and adjust the description if you need to clarify details for the customer or your internal team. When everything looks right, customer, dates, approvals, items, quantity, and rate, click Save. QuickBooks stores the estimate in your list of transactions so you can reference it, keep your documentation consistent, and move forward confidently. That's it. You've captured all the essentials, clearly and accurately.